the dais. Welcome, sir. I call upon a very amazing person, humble, down to earth, good-hearted person, Mrs. Jamini Kumari Garu, MEO RC Puram, to come onto the dais. I request Mrs. Manju teacher to escort Madam to the dais. Welcome, Madam, and thank you for supporting us. I call upon our dear Reverend Father Ambrose Beck, correspondent, St. Anne's, BHEL, to come onto the dais. I request Sugandhi teacher to escort Father to the dais. He is an idol of knowledge and inspiration. He is a very kind-hearted and empathetic person. He is so understanding and approachable person. Welcome, Father. Now I call upon Mrs. Sudha teacher, high school headmistress. I request Manju teacher to escort her to the dais. She is a determined and passionate person. Welcome, teacher. Now I call upon Mrs. Uma teacher, headmistress, Jyoti school, to kindly come on to the dais. I request Ananda teacher to escort teacher to the dais. She is a wonderful, very passionate and very beautiful lady. Welcome, ma'am. We are so happy to have you in our celebrations. It gives us immense pleasure to have you as a part of our event. Now, it's time to express our gratitude. Here we have saplings and mementos as a token of appreciation. I request Next, I call upon our leader, Mrs. Havila teacher, headmistress, St. Anne's Primary School, BHL, to come on to the dais. I request Samatha teacher to escort her. She is very hardworking, intelligent and lovable person. She strives for the betterment of the school and staff. Thank you for all your support, Havila teacher. Memento as a chief guest. Give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. I call upon Reverend Father N. Anand Garu, Vice Provincial, to come forward. Thank you, Father, for gracing this occasion. Now, I call upon Mrs. Now I call upon Mrs. Jamini Kumari Garu, MEO RC Puram, to come forward to receive the memento and the sapling. Thank you, madam, for taking time and coming here. To come forward to receive a memento and a sapling. Thank you, teacher. I also call forward our Mrs. Sudharani teacher, headmistress, St. Anne's High School, BHL, to come forward to receive the memento and sapling. Welcome, Father, please. Welcome, Reverend Father Dominic and Reverend Father Kashmir Garu. St. Anne's, the name itself carries a big pride in it. I feel immense joy to announce that it has been educating and nurturing students of the society since 1966, a long period of 57 years. It started molding thousands of students into courageous, compassionate and complete human beings under the guidance of dedicated, talented and experienced staff. These teachers are serving the school institution and the students are all around the globe. Nearly 18,500 students and 350 teachers have been working till date. It is associated with different managements. Presently, we are extremely delighted to work under the able guidance of SVD management. It is very compassionate, empathetic and understanding. We are fortunate to be working under such a prestigious and marvelous management. Thank you, Father, for everything. Thank you, teacher, for helping St. Anne's.
దివ్య గారు మీ అమూల్యమైన సమయాన్ని మా కోసం వెచ్చించి మీరు మేము పిలవగానే వచ్చి మా విద్యార్థులకి కళ నేర్పించినందుకు మేమందరం మీకు కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం.
Thank you, Father, for coming. And I wish you will invite us once to your... And I love you. Who served the institution for 40 years as an office staff. I have grown seeing him. Thank you, sir, for your remarkable service to the school. Next, I call upon Mrs. Haimavati, teacher, to please come on to the dais. She is an humble and hardworking person in our office. She maintains all finances accurately. She served our school for nearly 30 years. Thank you, Hema teacher, for your dedication towards our school. Please continue the good work. Next, I call upon the dynamic person, Mr. Ashok sir. He is always supportive, helpful, both to the management and staff. He is kind-hearted, intelligent and dedicated person in the office. He always strives for the betterment of school. Nothing is impossible for him is what we feel. He served the institution for 28 years. Thank you, sir, for your excellent service. We wish you continue to serve the institution with the same energy and zeal. He is like the lion of the school. Last but not the least, we have our KG student. She is nothing less than a child. Yes, I'm not wrong. She is not less than a KG student, energetic, creative, kind-hearted person, none other than our beloved Shireen teacher. Please give a big round of applause to our Shireen teacher. She has been serving the school for 29 years, nurturing our KG students. Tiny kids stepping into the school, leaving their mother's lap. Training and dealing such kids is not an easy task. She excels in doing it. Teacher is also our ex-student of St. Anne's School. She has dedicated her life to the school. Saying thank you would be very small word. Teacher, you are amazing, loving and super se ooper. We have such trained and experienced teachers. Person who was molded by our St. Anne's teachers, a prominent politician, a social worker, Sheikh Lingampalli Assembly Congress Party in charge, corporator Happy-Spade. It's none other than Mr. Jagdishwar Reddy Garu, Gaud Garu. I kindly request you, to accept our token of love from your school. Children, get up for the performance once again.
Look here.
A special presentation to Mr. Jagdishwar Gaud Garu by our student. He is very talented and very excellent in drawing.
St. Anne's Primary School Annual Sports Day Celebration 2024. Respected Father Ambrose, respected HM Mercy Havila Garu, teachers, Srilata ma'am, all the teachers, students, parents, friends, well-wishers, my warm greeting to you all on this. Thanks to the teachers, parents, everyone who have given me this
Thank you so
opportunity.
much for your kind words. Thank you. You have enlightened our parents well.
First of all, I would like to say about Mini Sports Day label. When I was seated there, I was just thinking why they kept it as mini sports day. It is not mini sports day. I can say mega and super mega sports day. Tiny tots displaying the drills like super mega stars. Hope I am not wrong. Very well done, children. And I really appreciate each and every performance today what you have done. I congratulate and my heartfelt gratitude for inviting me to this beautiful, wonderful show. Many more feelings I have, teachers and students, fathers. I cannot express all those things in a nutshell. So it takes volumes and volumes, of course. So on the whole, I want to thank you all. It is a great privilege for me to give me this opportunity to witness this blooming stars spirit on this sports day. Thank you very much. So all the best.
Everybody participated, all the teachers worked hard rigorously. Thank you so much for all the parents and well-wishers for unwavering support and encouragement. Children cannot achieve excellence without the parent help. Thank you parents for taking your time to come to this event. I would like to convey the gratitude to our aspiring students who is a rocking stars for their outstanding performance that made this event a grand success. Your actions reflected your days of hard work. The presentations were excellent and those in attendance thoroughly enjoyed them. Last but not the least, a heartfelt thank you to each one of you for making this year Mini Sports Day celebration so special for all of us. On behalf of my school, let me thank all the students, volunteers, high school students, high school teachers, even management, caretakers, sound system guys, and the fabulous snack guys for being a great support for the tireless work. Students of our school excel in the class and in extracurricular activities. We cherish you every